Now, the next very important thing we have to look at is our shipping and delivery settings. So let's go to shipping and delivery here. And this is basically where you can set up your shipping rates, which is what you're going to charge your customer for shipping the products to their home. Now, this can get a bit complicated depending on how you want to set up your shipping, but just bear with me. I'm going to try to explain this in an easy to understand way. So right here, we can see that we have a profile for all products right now, which means you can set up different profiles for different types of products. We're going to keep things simple and just keep one profile for all products. So let's click on this profile right here. And then right here, we can see all the products that apply to this profile. And when we scroll down, we can see our shipping zones, so the places where we ship to, and the rates that we charge to ship to these places. So currently, we just have domestic shipping to the United States, and these are the prices that we charge based on the weight of the product. And here we also have one rate that says $50 and up is going to be free shipping. So these were set up by default, but now I'm going to show you how you can set up your shipping rates manually. So to do that, we're going to first delete the shipping zone by clicking on the three dots right here and then clicking on delete. And then to add a new shipping zone, you would simply click on add shipping zone right here and then choose the regions you want to set up your rates for. So currently, let's say we're going to set it up for the United States. So I'm just going to type in US right here. And then here, I'm just going to choose the entire United States with 62 states. So let's click on done. And now I have my shipping zone here at the bottom. The next thing I want to do is set up my rates for this shipping zone. So let's click on add rate. And then I have some different options. We can set a flat rate, or we can set a dynamic rate based on different things like the weight, the volume, or also based on different carriers. I'm going to keep things simple and just use the flat rate. Then here under shipping rate, we can set up the type of shipping we want to offer, like express, standard, economy, and so on. I'm going to choose standard, and then I'm going to set the price to, let's say, $6 and click done. And then we can set up another shipping rate by clicking add rate again. And this time I'm going to set up an express rate, which is 1 to 2 business days for, let's say, $15 and click done. And now when people from the US order from our store, they can choose between standard and express shipping, and these are the prices right here.